Hello Galactic family. As human intellect and intelligence evolves, as it is continually doing and which can be clearly observed through our astounding technological developments and advancements as a species, we find that, in very sophisticated ways, we are also more convincingly able to distract ourselves from the fact that we are not truly embracing the wondrous gift of being alive. We try to overlook and ignore what our heart tells us, that perhaps we are not living our lives to the fullest of our potential, embracing the fullness of our consciousness, really shining like the beautiful star that we truly are. To someone who is very comfortable in their illusion, surrounded by all their favorite distractions and comforts, this may all sound like a tremendous effort. The very thought of shining like a star may seem quite exhausting, but it has nothing to do with effort, and everything to do with the joy which naturally bubbles up from within a healthy heart. When joy is flowing from within, we radiate an invisible energy of light that affects everything around us, and is transmitted into the collective consciousness to uplift the entire human family. This is how important our state of consciousness is. But even from a very selfish point of view, our joy is essential to us because it reminds us of our true energetic potential. It reminds us how deeply important it is to simply be happy and to be in a positive state, because when we are, the entire universe is transformed. We often think that life is very objective, an outside experience that we don't have much influence upon, but the opposite is true. The reality of life is totally subjective. The world which we truly inhabit is not the world out there, but it is the realm of our inner state of consciousness. We attune our awareness to certain levels of consciousness, and that is the realm which we experience as our reality, our world. The material world is really just a mirror that reflects to us where we are at, as we project our state of consciousness upon it. The beauty of the natural world is also constantly reminding us of the beautiful potential that our consciousness holds to be an expression of joy, because this earth truly is an expression of that energy. You can hear it when the birds sing. You can see it in the exquisite colors of the flowers and the blossoms. You can even taste it in the delicious fruits, miraculously produced by the magnificent trees which populate this beautiful planet. It is all an expression of joy. Our primary task and our main purpose on earth is to reattune ourselves to this divine frequency, so that we are working in total harmony with the natural energies that permeate the planet. It may seem like a challenge, only because we have allowed our awareness to get pulled into the muddiness of the thinking mind, with its fears, doubts, worries, judgments, hostilities, criticisms and guilt. We have created an entire other world for ourselves, made of thought, separate from the joyful beauty of the earth, which exists solely in our mind. So much of our attention is given to it, that we bring these energies into our bodies, that begin to feel almost lifeless and devoid of energy. We also project them upon the earth, creating the same dullness that exists in our consciousness in vast forms upon the external world, such as huge concrete cities that sprawl across the landscape, in which we choose to immerse ourselves, believing that there is some kind of deep pleasure to be experienced within these vast lifeless labyrinths. Yet human beings cannot create anything that comes close to the transcendent magnificence of nature, and the state of consciousness it evokes within our being. We can spend decades within a city, seemingly enjoying all the many pleasures and distractions it offers, and yet just one day in a beautiful natural place will set our heart singing like we have never known before. We are creatures of nature. Our heart longs to sing like the beautiful songbirds. We yearn to feel within us that beautiful freedom of not being restricted, of having no boundaries, no division between us and the love of the universe, which pours upon the earth from its divine source. But we need space to feel this. We are not designed to dwell within concrete boxes, separate from the energy and sounds of nature, unable to feel its soothing and revitalizing presence. It is more important to us that we can imagine, yet we forget and we get lost in our heavy adult world, constructed of anxious thoughts, unwelcome obligations, frustrations and loneliness. How sad this is! We choose this for ourselves, even though it is highly encouraged that we do so in society. But when we get to an age where we truly decide how we want to live our lives, we can set ourselves free from all that we allowed to weigh our heart down, including all the sophisticated adult belief systems that reinforced our sense of duty and obligation to such a joyless way of living. If we want to be free, then we are free to be free. We are free to change our life, to let go of the things which do not nourish our heart, to live in the environment that we know our inner child will thrive in. Because that inner child does not disappear, dissolve or die. It is there right now, waiting for the next opportunity to be awoken and express its enthusiasm and joy, its innocence and happiness. This is where the light resides within you, within the joyful innocence of your ever youthful heart, which only ever wants to be free to express itself. All you have to do is be brave enough to ignore everything which tells you why it should not, all the self-judgment, fear and adult self-restrictions, and let yourself be free to shine in the light of your heart's joy. It is truly all your heart has ever wanted to do.